Hello everyone, today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
喝
First, please watch my mouth shape for pronunciation.
喝喝喝喝喝酒喝酒喝酒不要开车喝酒不要开车吃喝吃喝会吃喝的人才懂生活。会吃喝的人才懂生活。喝茶喝茶中国人喜欢喝茶。中国人喜欢喝茶。
Let's look at the standard way to write this character. The left part of this character is related to the mouth and eating or drinking, and the right part shows its pronunciation. It's a bit difficult when you first start writing Chinese characters. Write and imitate more, and you'll get better gradually. Today's character means to drink water, to drink wine, or to drink tea. In Chinese culture, it represents daily diet and life. Drinking tea and wine are important social customs for Chinese people. Remember to write this part a little higher. Also, this stroke is the key to writing this character well. Time passed quickly in this lesson. Class is over. Goodbye.